Hi guys, we don't know we're recording MLB The Show video. I have a franchise with the worst team in baseball, which is the Orioles. And yeah, I'm gonna uh do this franchise. It's probably gonna become a series on my channel, I'm not sure. But right now, I'm in free agency because the Orioles suck. I'm looking for a player who can fill. Yeah, Oily smile. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably cut it. Sign grinder for you. Okay. Okay. I don't want to spend a ton of money because I can't spend too much or I run out of money. I can't run out of money. I like spending a lot of money though. I usually cut. Alex Cobb, we also didn't cut. Wade LeBlanc. We're gonna cut these three. How much money we have? 294K. I'll check out budget. Who's having? Oh, Chris Davis is 200 mil. Nathan, I need you to turn that down. My viewers can't hear. I mean, like you can, but I want them to hear background sounds. Nathan, people will be talking. Huh? Everyone to talk here. Every background. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay, guys. I mean, I'm gonna add these guys. Make sure they're on my team because they're good. I mean, they're decent, not the best, but they're decent at least. I mean, like, at least they're. Yeah. I'm gonna play some games, sim some games. Kind of a thing. I want to play 106 people straight games. That would be insane. I mean, I'm a sim. 3 months. I mean, the month. Ooh, Lotus Gurriel.
Baseball fans, welcome to Inside the Show. Starting in the AL East,
Check.
the Royals
He's
allowed only
cheap.
5 hits in the game as they beat the
I'm gonna
O's
try
in
and get
Baltimore
Lotus
4-0.
Gurriel. Need a
The New York
big,
Yankees sent 3
big
balls into the
team.
seats as they cruised to the win against the Tigers 10-3. The Oakland Athletics totaled 11 hits as they beat the visiting Rays 5-3.
Check out some
The Houston Astros went deep 4 times as they bested the Mariners in Safeco Field 22-8. It was their 5th straight victory. The Miami Marlins finished off a 3-game sweep as they got the best of the visiting Mets 5-1. The Brewers combined for a 4-hitter as they bested the visiting Nats 3-0. The Diamondbacks racked up 11 hits as a team as they secured the win in extra innings against the Cubs 3-2. The Redbirds combined for 10 hits as a team as they grabbed the victory over the Padres at Petco Park, 6-2. Thanks for joining me. That's all for today. Same place, same time tomorrow. Enjoy the game.
This is not even. Oh my god, I'm dumb, guys. We're gonna get away. I'm the watchman guy. Who should I trade? I'm just look for some players. Let's see what kind of trade we get. I'm looking for. I can get what field devils. Glebo Tour? Guys, these trades. Oh yeah, I have the try and update the rosters as much, but it's still a little. I can get Vlad. I think I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm not on the league. If they're willing to give me Glebo, I'm gonna check out the Blue Jays. What about Goya? What is Goya? I'm gonna give up 2 starting pitchers. Flashbacks. DJ Hodge 21, lefty. He's a whitey. DJ Hodge a little. But I actually don't know. Accept this deal. Okay. Let's adjust on. We're on a 40 man. I mean, we don't know. But this is what we don't do. We don't know. We don't move. We don't move Calvin Biggio to 4 space. Ooh, actually, never mind. That makes him bad. Way worse. He's gonna stay at 7. That has a solid arm. If he goes up a ton, I'm gonna see Okay, now we're gonna budget these. Oh yeah, see that. Dollars. Ooh. Tim Anderson. Tim Anderson. Oh wait, my budget. Whiskey. someone who's a lot more expensive for them. Get budget off, but someone who's not too expensive for them. Boy. PewDiePie. Why are you searching up PewDiePie? Okay. We're just getting rid of Chris Davis. We're sorry about the lag, guys. We need a shortstop very bad.
Isn't this cute?
I'm looking for a shortstop, guys. Let's go. My favorite trend. Okay. But I'm not gonna trade. Not. You don't want to. Oh, good. I really need a shortstop. There's not a lot of like shortstops. Oh, that's why. You don't. They trading block. I don't need service that bad. I need shortstop really bad. Okay, I'm going to start doing some more things right now, but Roberto Nunez is gonna go. Travis Nathan Ford. We need a shortstop. Who's gonna do the job? We need a shortstop. Shortstop. Stop. How is their salaries that much? My salaries. Ooh, did it go yes? Oh, once. Zach Efron and David Phelps. They're both the same age. I'm gonna get Didi. Oh, okay. Ooh, Mike 40. Okay. We're gonna quick manage this game. Just let's see how our team's doing. Ooh, 1-0. Six when we bowling this Chicago right out of the water. Oh, I said that in Francisco. I don't like my 40 go one morning. I'm not gonna try and use my like top guys. I'm just gonna use my more like the okay guys for don't waste energy with them. About that. Okay, it's a 2-1 game. Run, no, come on. Come in. Ooh. Oh, thank God. Yes! 7-6. Nick Jones, come on. Yes, we escaped with the win by a 1-1. That was close, guys. That was close. Oh, we are around 500. What are you doing, Nathan? Did you press X?
No.
What did you press?
Triangle.
Triangle does nothing. Okay, we don't have to draft. Ooh, we drafted number 2 overall.
You realize you're still recording?
Yeah, that's what I know. I'm intentionally still recording. Literally, like, I need someone who's not 2024 plus. Like, 2024 plus takes too long. 2022. But of course he's a closer. It's just like good closers always. Oh, gotta be just good closers. I like this dude, but I have Vlad. And I don't really need Vlad. I'm good. Take a rest. I'm gonna spend the rest of the draft. See what day I did. It's my picks. He's okay. Not that good. I usually just sign 11 for. I have some prospects. Okay. My Xbox is still broken. I can't. We had the 9 games back. We doing okay. 4 games back of the wild card. We didn't send the rest of the months. Usually for fun, I play on a little different.
Welcome everyone. Let's jump right in and revisit the news and events from Monday. Looking first at the American League East, Nate Jones had his first victory of the year as the Orioles defeated the Indians 3-1.
I'm also gonna start a career mode. I already have a career mode, but I wanna give you that whole thing. Ooh, we are in a slump. Okay, let's check if we have any all-star players. Okay,
welcome to Inside the Show. Starting in the AL East, the Baltimore Orioles picked up 14 hits in total as they got the win, crushing the Red Sox 10-3. In the standings, the Red Sox are in first place in the AL East, and the Orioles are at the bottom of the division. Davey Garcia won the game, finishing a complete game one-hitter as the Yankees disposed of the Rangers 1-0. At the start of the day, the Yankees sit in second place in the American League East Division, and the Rangers are in last place in the AL West.
Okay, let's check it
The
this
St.
out.
Louis Cardinals
Zach
knocked out
Goody,
12 hits as a team as they took down the Rays in St. Petersburg 10-5.
Stop, Nathan.
As of today, the Rays sit in fourth
What
place
did you
in the
do,
American League East
Nathan?
I
Division,
pressed
and
nothing.
the Cardinals are in fourth
You did
place in the
something.
NL Central.
Mike
The
14.
Toronto Blue
14
Jays
doing
now
good.
lead hits overall as they
Is this
pulverized the
is
Twins
this
7-1.
Coolio was
As of right now, the Twins are leading the Central
You're
Division,
doing pretty
while the Blue
good.
Jays sit in third
Johnny
place in the
is
American
doing
League East
okay.
Division. The
Yeah,
Arizona
it's
Diamondbacks
out.
completed a 3-game series
Don't
sweep as they
need
got the extra innings win over the White Sox, 7-6. Entering
Zach
today's
Eflin's
action,
not
the
doing
White Sox
good.
sit in 3rd place in the American League Central, while the
Fry
Diamondbacks
is not
sit in
doing good.
3rd place in the
Kevin
National League
Logan.
West Division. Tyler Naquin was a
Brandon
clutch
Moore
performer at the
is
dish with 4 RBIs,
good.
leading Cleveland
21
past the
saves,
Royals
sweep
6-5. Heading into the day, the Indians
Okay,
sit in
she's done.
2nd place in the AL Central Division,
Lancaster's
and the
doing good.
Royals
Calvin
are 4th in the
Biggio
division.
is doing
Matt
pretty good.
Chapman grabs
Vlad's
3
doing
runs driven
okay.
in as Oakland took
Didi's
down the
doing
Mariners
pretty
6-2.
solid.
In the standings,
Didi,
the Mariners sit in 4th place in the American League West, and the Athletics are 2nd in the division.
Team's not doing that
The
bad.
Astros hit 3 long
See.
balls as they defeated the visiting Tigers 9-4. As of right now, the Astros are leading the AL West, and the Tigers are in last place in the AL Central.
We're gonna check
The
out
Atlanta Braves
trading
pitched well,
ball.
allowing
See
only
if
3 hits
anybody.
as they nabbed the win against the visiting Cubs 2-1. At the start of the day, the Braves are in 1st place in the
Fast
NL
stuff.
East,
Ooh.
and the Cubs are in 1st place in the AL
By the
Central.
way, I'm a Dodgers
The
fan.
Marlins smacked 15 team
Me.
hits as they got the best
Oh
of
my
the visiting
gosh,
Mets
was that on
8-7. As of today, the Marlins
Yeah.
sit in 3rd
Last
place in the
year,
National
yes.
League East Division,
And I don't
and
like
the
them.
Mets
I
are
dislike them
2nd in
actually
the
a lot.
division.
But
Ryan
yeah.
Harper grabbed his 4th victory
What's
on the
Adam
weekend
doing
as the
well?
Nationals disposed of the
He's
Phillies
pretty
2-1.
good.
Heading into the day,
I think
the
I'm gonna
Nationals
get
are in
Lotus
last place in the
Scolio.
NL East, and the Phillies are 4th in the
We're
division.
gonna try and
The
boost
Pittsburgh
this.
Pirates tally 5 home runs overall as they got past the Reds in Cincinnati 8-4. Entering the day's action, the Reds sit in 3rd place in the National League Central Division, while the Pirates
Adam
are at the
Duvall.
bottom of the division. The
He's not
Colorado
doing good.
Rockies
I'm gonna
combined to
trade
allow
him
only
straight
4
up.
hits as they took a
That
victory against the
Goody.
Brewers in
I mean,
Milwaukee
Goody.
2-1. In the standings,
Goody.
the Brewers sit in 2nd place in the National League Central, and the Rockies are in 3rd place
Brian
in the
does
NL
it
West.
today.
The Padres
How's
brought
he
out the
doing?
Rooms
3
in a
balls,
3-game
2
sweep as they
strikes.
got the win over the Giants in San
Eh.
Francisco 3-2. At the start of the day, the Giants are in last place in the NL West, while the Padres are 2nd in the division. And that'll do it for today. Enjoy the rest of the All-Star break, and don't forget to tune in over the next couple of days for all
And
the
I
latest.
can't get these guys. What are you on? Oh, okay. Nope. I'm looking for someone who can play center field, but there's not a lot of play center fielders who's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna. This year's gonna be just a bad season for us, really. I mean, I will sim to the trade deadline. See if we can. How we do it. Trade deadline. A lot better than the Oilers would have done in real life next year. I mean, I don't know what the Oilers are going to do next year. I can't say anything yet.
Welcome to Inside the Show. It's the wild day that is the trade deadline. Looking first at the American League East, Luke Voigt had an outstanding 5 hits at the dish, leading the Yanks to a win over the rival Red Sox 15-4. Tristan McKenzie grabbed win number 6 on the year as the Tribe defeated the White Sox 5-3. Miguel Cabrera was a major force at the plate, driving in 4, leading Detroit to the win over Kansas City 5-1. He has now hit safely in 13 straight games. The Seattle Mariners combined to give up just 5 hits as they pulled off the win against the Angels in Orange County 9-4. The A's put together 10 total hits as they were winners over the visiting Rangers 3-2. Dansby Swanson grabbed 3 base knocks, helping lead Atlanta past the Reds 3-1. The Miami Marlins snapped their 7-game losing streak as they took care of the Mets at Citi Field 3-1. Carlos Martinez got his 3rd win this season as the Cardinals took care of the Brewers 4-0. The Los Angeles Dodgers launched 3 home runs as they made it a laugher against the Diamondbacks 12-3.
Okay.
Reese
That's all I
Hoskins
wanted to
drove
do.
in
We got a
impressive
better
5
outfield.
with 2 home runs, helping the Phillies get past the Padres 10-7. He is among the National League leaders in home runs. Austin Slater added 3 RBIs to his total, helping lead the Giants to a win over the Cubbies 3-2. He extended his hitting streak to a modest 6 straight games.
Oh,
And
wait.
that's the show. The trade deadline is only hours
He's gonna
away,
be
so
a
don't forget to check in tomorrow for a full recap of the day's events.
And that might be hard for some people to deal with. He's a baby. His name
6. Okay, we have decent amount of money left. Contract extensions. We definitely gonna get Mancini a contract. But I'm not looking for that big. 4 years, 6.6 a year. I'm gonna backload it, see if we we have a pretty I'm not bad without the much. Oh, actually, you know what? He's also gonna get a backloaded contract. I wouldn't pay that much. I'll pay for it. How much will I do? Glad I'm looking for cheap. Okay, that's all the guys I want to sign back. Let's see what we're looking back to. Our guys we didn't really have any big contracts this year. I'm gonna just send you outside of the year. See if we do anything. Oh, this might be just really more of a stimmy franchise. I might do a play franchise in the future. Okay, we finished off strong. Let's see what we probably wanna go good. Mancini and Kyle Tucker won
The
both
season is winding down, but the postseason races are
Kyle
heating
Tucker
up.
did
Here's
pretty
how
good.
yesterday's nail-biting action went
Two
down.
go
Starting in
goals.
the AL East,
Nice.
Nate Jones
Mike
collected
14.
win number 3 this year as the
Ridiculous.
Orioles took down the Red Sox 3-2.
We getting a
In
whole
other
new pitching
Orioles
staff.
news, shortstop Didi
Besides
Gregorius is currently listed as day-to-day. He's dealing with a strain of left muscle. Heading into the day, the Red Sox are leading the AL East, 1 game ahead of second, while the Orioles are at the bottom of the division. They're over 20 games out of first.
And
The New York Yankees finished off a 3-game sweep as they beat the visiting Rays 5-4.
Pretty good.
The win was their 5th straight
Calvin
as a team.
Video actually
As of
did
today,
really
the Yankees
good.
are in second
That
place in the
did
AL
very
East,
good.
yet they currently
He
lead
did
the race
good.
for the American League wildcard. And the
Okay,
Rays
Mancini
are
did
4th in the
good.
division.
Tucker did
They're over
okay.
20 games
Ooh,
out of
Lotus
first.
go routed.
The Blue Jays had 12
Okay, let's
hits
check
as a
out
team
what
as they
should
beat the
on
Tribe
no
in
down.
Cleveland 5-3.
Question.
As
Yeah,
of right
makes
now, the
sense.
Indians are in second
So,
place in the AL Central,
yes,
12
my
games
boy.
behind first place. And the Blue Jays are in third place in the AL East, 19 games out of first.
Do we have
The
anybody
Chi
in the
Sox
top
sent
10?
3 balls into the seats as they took down the Tigers in Detroit 19-0.
We can
In the
pause
standings,
if you
the
want
Tigers
to.
sit in last place in the American League Central
I mean,
Division.
like, we
They're
really
over
don't care if
20
we want
games
to
out of
go
first, while the White Sox are third in the division. They're over 20 games out of first. The Minnesota
Yeah,
Twins
send
have
you
12
off
hits in
season.
this
See? The Dodgers defeated the Twins. Yes, my two favorite teams in the World Series. Nathan, wait, you're going to keep.
Hi there, everyone. Welcome to the
Guys, I'm gonna check how long I've been recording for. 28 minutes. I'm gonna end the video probably after this offseason. Willie, Nathan, you have to walk right in front of the video. Huh? That's why I'm talking. Do you think I'm just talking to myself?
Yeah, you do that a lot.
Yeah, I do that a lot. We're getting a who knows pitching staff. I mean coaching staff or coaching sucks. Play vision. I want play vision still. I like this dude. I'm willing to pay a decent, hefty amount for a good manager. No, those can decline. Ooh. Can I check my coaches? Okay, we got Mickey Callaway. Good. Rogers is a solid dude. I like him too. We just need 3 new things. Okay. We need a starting pitching. Zach Eflin. Oh, I forgot to even do it. That captain's just gonna get released. Straight up, I don't want him. John means I don't want him either. What are you doing, Nathan? Stop trying to get my football!
After that, then I said Subnautica works.
Yes, Nathan. Stop talking in my video now.
No.
Yes. Yeah, I think my dudes think you annoying.
Huh?
What?
I do not usually literally want me here because you feel weird when you don't film if no one's here.
Oh yeah, that is true, but yeah. He's gonna actually probably be on. Yes.
Look, ice cream on my shirt.
We're gonna try and make 2 big splashes in free agency. Okay. We did these guys. Andrew Miller. Yeah, so Pedro Gaius. Yeah, so. Probably not that bad. James McCann is okay. She searched that up.
Well, she is a zoologist.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, she might have actually knew that. Left field. Okay, our outfit's fine. Hopefully we can get these 3 players. Powell. JT went neutral to the Dodgers? Okay. Rosenthal. Giles. Rookie. Check if we are 3 guys we want it. Oh, yep, we did. Oh no, Miller hasn't signed yet, but Pedro did. It's good. James McCann. Ooh, fine, help us in that way. He's gonna be a star. We don't have that many good players. Player option. Let's see if we off them up. Sam Hendricks, DJ LeMahieu. What is LeMahieu? Oh, we're skipping. What? I want a backup, like a pretty good backup, but not like that crazy. Who does our backup catcher? Okay, Gabby. Yeah, Gabby. Okay. We kind of do need, I mean, we're we need to go, yeah. Let's just get Billy out. Because he's like fast. Can be a good bench dude. No Shinku's booms. His power is great. Okay, those are the only 2 other players I'm looking for in this free agency. Let's see what happens. We're just gonna skip over that. I really don't care about that stuff. Simeon's doing what? This name makes no sense. Oh, you know what I'm happy about? Mookie stayed in LA, I think. Who's our... Okay, we have a pretty solid team. We have to go up against the Red Sox, the Yankees, the Rays, Blue Jays. We have a stacked division. This is the only reason 23rd. Oh, Blue Jays are not as good as, but at least rankings. We are higher now. Pitching is 19, 13, 10. Oh, our defense sucks. We just like defense. We don't care about you. Get out. Top prospects. Do we have any top prospects? That actually know that now. Probably. You know, I'll run away. But you don't know. Also, I'm gonna probably do this OYOS franchise. I'm gonna make a relocation franchise. But comment down below what team you want to see. Yeah. Bye, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.